We're good on the field. Drivers behind the line. And 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Autonomous period begins. We see a couple of quick strikes by the Red Alliance. 967 and Winnovation both making their way back towards the midline, but looks like Winnovation will come out successful with that pickup. As autonomous period comes to a close, slight lead for the Red Alliance, just by a single note though. Plenty of time for both alliances to make up some ground as 8802, the tiny little robot making its way back from the red source. They're small, they're fast, they're nimble, and they're feeding some notes over to their partners. Speaking of their partners, Fondy Fire 2194, that red and yellow machine making their way back over towards the red side. Looks like they will align and take a quick strike up into the red speaker. Meanwhile, for blue, we see 1625. That's the legendary machine out of Illinois. Coming down to the blue source, picking up a note, making their way back for a long shot. Looks like they're also going to employ this feeding strategy we've started to see here this morning at Seven Rivers Regional. Teams throwing notes near their own driver station walls so that they can pick them up and score them in quick succession during amplification periods. 96-76, that's the rookies. Hub City Steam up and in for the Blue Alliance. Taking advantage of those 5 points earned for amplified notes. They get another. Nicely done for Blue Alliance. Making up some ground on red. Just 10 points separating these alliances as we go under a minute left to play. For blue, Cheese Curd Herd raising up their manipulator just a bit short. We'll see if they can dial that in for a second shot. As the Iron Lions for red look to align with the amp. Remember, teams need to get 2 notes into their amp in order to amplify and start an amplification period. Speaking of, blue is currently amplified. Hub City's team trying to get it up. Their partners, Winnovation, are successful. 20 seconds left here in the match. Red has clearly passed that 18 note threshold as a quick 1-2 punch from Fondy Fire and the Iron Lions before heading up to climb at the end of this match. We'll see what teams can do with 3, 2, 1. This one is over. Alliance continuing to push up that high score with 81 points. Red will walk away with 3 ranking points.